an honor to have won your state twice. You know, we won twice and we won decisively. And in fact, no president that's won Iowa, Ohio, and Florida has ever lost an election except for us.
No, I can't. It was a ban and I can totally.
Needs to always have moral clarity. You have to know the difference between right and wrong.
I want to congratulate Ron and Nikki for having a good time together. We're all having a good time together. I think most importantly, I want to thank my incredible wife, First Lady, I'll say former and maybe future. But more important than Melania, I want to thank her incredible, beautiful mother who passed away a few days ago. And she's up there, way up there. She's looking down and she's so proud of us. We want to thank the great people of Iowa. Thank you. We love you all. What a turnout, what a crowd. And I really think this is time now for everybody, our country, to come together. We want to come together. Whether it's Republican or Democrat or liberal or conservative, it would be so nice if we could come together and straighten out the world and straighten out the problems and straighten out all of the death and destruction that we're witnessing.
Hills of Tennessee, across the plains of Texas, I'm seeing